Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable the eye comfort in your LG K50. To do this operation, slide your upper bar and search for comfort view here. You can enable it by tapping and press and hold to go into settings of your eye comfort. You can choose how much it should be with the yellow color. You can schedule it by sunrise or the set time to activate it, and that's it. You can choose the black and white color too. To turn it off, just only press this icon in the upper bar to turn it off. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!